Hello guys, namaste, Perev. Anyway, here we have a Lenovo. It's turning on, but there is nothing on the screen. This is exactly what was happening with this machine. It turns on the power button, but you get nothing on the screen. You know how we deal with such machine, right? Where it's turning on, but no display. At first, you have to do a physical inspection. As always, I did a physical inspection, but there was nothing on the screen. Still, it was not turning on. I was trying to press the power button, turning on, but nothing on the screen. It wasn't posting. I tried with a heatsink connected, but still, it was giving me the same issue, same result. Anyway, yeah. Okay, so after this, I removed the heatsink and I inspected the board again. Normally, I prefer to check for shorts all over the motherboard by checking your multimeter and change the mode to what? To continuity mode. So this is what you do. You have to use your multimeter. You can use any multimeter. You don't have to use an expensive one. Even if you don't have an expensive multimeter, you can use a normal multimeter as long as it will give you the correct readings, no issues. And one more thing, when you are pressing your probes, your two probes, they should give you 000 ohms. Okay, you should be careful with that. They should give you 000 ohms. And here, I'm sure you can see what I was doing there. I realized that the USB port, one of the USB ports, is faulty, of which it made me believe that the short, there was a short there on the 5 volts, and that's why the machine was turning on but not posting, because of that short, if I remember very well. So to prove my theory if I was wrong or right, so I had to take the screen. So I took the screen. Okay, let's see. So after this, I connected the DC bench power supply to turn on the machine. Otherwise, the machine wasn't gonna turn on. So I had to use what? I had to use a DC bench power supply. And you have to be very careful there when you are using your DC bench power supply. You know, ground, you have to connect ground to ground, positive to positive. Please be very careful. And after this, the machine turned on. I remember very well. You saw a display. There was a display there, but it wasn't bright enough. I don't know why. Or this LVDS cable, it wasn't connected proper. I can't remember. After putting back the heatsink and the strain cable correctly, the machine turned on, and I wasn't happy. Okay, there we go. The machine turned on proper, and yeah, that's it. That's how I repaired this one.